Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day. Taking a quick look here again at Avalanche, double checking a couple of key factors here. We've got our ABC pattern kind of playing out here, very, very close to what I expected here. So we are at this 0.32 fib level, roughly $34 as a potential lowest level here. We could see a recovery here soon because we've been downtrending for a very, very long time. So please keep in mind Bitcoin may not be done pulling back, so we could very well see further downside. But pending Bitcoin doesn't go, just say Bitcoin goes sideways for a little bit longer, we should see AVAX start to recover here soon. We're getting close to our tentative bottom. So if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Hope you can learn something today. If you want to become a better trader, CryptoCache.tech is a site, link down below. Also be sure to check out some of our new partners here. Of course, BTCC, a nice alternative to BitUnix. While we are a BitUnix family, they have some awesome rewards you may as well take advantage of. So go ahead and check them out as well if you'd like an alternative there. They do have demo trading and some nice features too. So obviously check them out. And quick congrats to our community members too for some awesome feedback and or trades. VeChain and Matic, we took 2 shorts yesterday and took some decent profit in 5 to 24 hours. So more profit to come, I think, because Bitcoin still looks like it wants to pull back. But we're going to see if AVAX is one of those coins that's good due for a correction or not. Taking a look at liquidation, we can see that $34, really close to this level here, just below 34, as low as 32 is some areas of retracement and or, more importantly, areas of liquidation. In other words, when the price action hits a lot of liquidation, gets close to it, there's more likelihood for the price action to sweep that lower level. So we just got to be mindful of the fact that too many people are trying to take a long position with this coin right now, and they're getting destroyed. Okay, so again, try not to be another statistic. It does look like we could even see a little bit lower of a swing here with our ABC coming down possibly as low as this 0.236 level at about 32.50. Either way you look at it, we have some support in that range, and I'll explain what I mean by that here shortly with larger time frames. Let's talk about this here first. So discussing the daily time frame with this coin. So AVAX, for example, here, as we can kind of look and zoom in a little bit, we are now below all moving averages. Okay, this is not a good sign. This is not something you want to take a long position into. Okay, all the more reason why we need a closure at about $34, $35 or higher to be able to maintain that level. So if today we can close, just say at 34.50, 35.30, somewhere in that lower range, we may have a chance of being able to maintain this level, but we're treading water here just below the 200-day SMA. That's not a good sign, folks, okay? We're also below 50 on the RSI, stochastic swinging down, MACD is diverging, or losing its momentum rather, and we can just see here that there's really no reason on the daily time frame to want to warrant a long position. Okay, does that mean you just jump into a short position? Not necessarily. You take a look at this here, we can see we're at 9 plus 3. We've literally been downtrending for 12 candles here on the 4-hour time frame, right? So that's like 48 hours of descending trend. It has to surface soon, right? You can only hold something down for so long before it wants to resurface. So keep in mind, AVAX has been held down for a while. We could see a relief rally here relatively soon. Money flow index is getting closer to 20 and RSI getting closer to 30. When those two things get close to those levels, you typically will see a relief rally. If we look at its history here, last time the RSI and money flow index came down this low, the price action relieved itself for a little bit before it continued lower. So again, relief rallies are not perfect. That doesn't mean the price is just going to go like this, okay? But it does imply that there is somewhat of an uptrend that we could expect here soon, whether or not it's at $36 or $37. Hard to say, but I would be remiss if the price doesn't pull back or correct itself to the upside at least a little bit. Now that's not really a great thing, right? When you think about it, how helpful is that when the price just goes up and immediately back down, you don't even take any profit? All the more reason why you secure profit when you can. Low leverage, low position sizing, and ensure that you have good risk tolerance and you're adjusting your stop loss accordingly. Okay, we always adjust our stop loss higher after we secure profit. Heaven forbid we don't get as much profit as we'd like to get. It's still profit at the end of the day. Okay, so again, there's different strategies for a lot of situations here, but right now I think a long position is not viable for the moment, okay, even though we could see a relief rally soon. Hourly time frame is going to confirm and reiterate where we're at with most coins right now. Lagging spans free and clear, conversion lines below the baseline, we're well below the cloud here. So even though we had this descending trend here that we were honoring with this potential bull flag, there is no reason to consider that to be a reality right now, okay? We can kind of move that over a little bit here and kind of just confirm that we do have potential for the price to continue lower. And until it breaks this descending trend, the upper trend line, you do not consider a long position. So we're a long ways away from taking a long position, okay? Even though I know I've been talking for a while about looking to get in about $34, $35, or $36, that window of opportunity is passed. That's why you reanalyze and you don't just jump in arbitrarily because you analyzed this 2 or 3 days ago. You consistently do it. This is why you see me uploading videos on the regular, and we consistently analyze anywhere between 8 to 15 coins a day. So again, check that out. If you haven't already, do me a favor, hit the like button below, comment below, help us grow the channel. And if you want to jump on over to our, watch some of our shorts, I provide fundamental and best practice stuff over with our Twitter, Telegram, Discord, and now TikTok. So check all this stuff out, folks. Again, it's all there for you if you want to have some good resources. But I do want to say thank you again so much for watching. Do yourself a favor, jumping over to our CryptoCache Premium group. Phenomenal traders over there. We've had a lot of good success here. And again, while the success is less frequent, you got to recognize that as a trader, it's okay to slow down and slow your roll and not be overtrading. Overtrading is literally the only problem that most people have, and it needs to be fixed, I guess you could say. But again, not everybody is the same. I've been trading for over 20 years. I've seen it all, so it's all well and good. Thanks again so much for the support either way. Deeply appreciate you all. We'll look forward to seeing the next video. Have yourself a good rest of your day. Take care.